So now it's driving just fine. But a second ago, there was a little upside down triangle above that check engine light. But all the gauges are still exactly the same. But that upside down triangle just turned off and the power came back out of nowhere. I'm not sure why or what that was about. Okay, so it's doing it again. I haven't, just wanted to show you what the lights look like. Everything's fine again. The only difference is there's this little check engine light that's still on, but the triangle's gone, truck has power, everything seems fine.